Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be drawing some eyes. So first I'm going to show you the different shapes of the eyes. So there are three main shapes: the triangle kind. I don't think you can see that much. Like that. This is mostly used for boys. The almond type. This is basically for more serious looking eyes. You can use it for both girls and boys, but I don't really use this because it also makes your eye long. I don't kind of like it. And also there's that circle or oblong type like that. So this is the style that we're going to be doing. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so first we're going to be drawing our guidelines. The circle shape. It's okay to be really sketchy since this is the sketch, but remember to make it very light. Oh no, I think I made that. The purpose of the sketch is that when you go to your main drawing, you go like very dark and deep, right? Well, for the sketch, this is where you start planning things out first. So I would like to do this first. Also, if you're doing this digitally, don't forget to add different layers for the sketch and everything. And basically just go the same way as me. So like this. Yeah. That I made my sketch a little darker so you may view it on camera. Okay. So now we're going to draw the main eyelashes. Remember, follow along the shape. This will really help. Also, I like doing it both at the same time because if you do, example, you finish the first eye and then you're gonna do the next eye. You're gonna work so long to try and replicate that. So I really recommend doing this at the same time. Okay, so now we got the arch. I think I wanted more circular. Wait, I'm just going to go fix this real quick. Today we're going to be doing both eyes. So now first you kind of clean up the eyeliner. I really like making it kind of thick, but not that thick since it starts to look weird. So first, we're going to go do this. For the middle part, it has to be thicker. Then you gradually make it thinner. So there. Since we need to make this part thinner because we're also going to be adding lashes right here. And then then you just repeat that on the other eye. I'm just going to go do that too in the other eye. Just wait. There are different types of lashes. The triangle and the winged. Those are the two things I know. The two lashes I know. But for now, we're going to be going with winged since I really like winged. Okay, but it actually depends on you. It's still gonna look the same. First, for the winged eyelash, I made that a little too low. So first we're going to have a curve, then a down curve, outer curve, like that. So basically, you just shade it in. You can make it more longer or pointier if you'd like, but I think I also made it too short actually. I like my lashes very long and pointy. There are times I do this art style, but I make it more triangle-like. Just going to go fix the lashes right here. There we go. Now we're just going to copy this to the other eye. Ta-da! Okay, so now I usually add a second lash here, and then I'll also add 2 lashes here. Smaller lashes actually. So now curve up and down. We're going to make this shorter than the other one. Wait, let me just get my other eraser. Can make as many adjustments you'd like. Okay, curve up, then down. Ta-da! Now, there it is. Let's make it a bit more pointy. Copy it on the other eye. Ta-da! Now, I know it's, I'm going to go fix this real quick. Okay, so there. Don't worry if your eyes aren't exactly identical, since it's very hard to make it very identical. So this is looking terrible with the guidelines right now. So, I forgot what to do. Okay, next, actually the lower eye. In some eyes, example, the almond-shaped eye. Example, there's like this curve here, and then they're also gonna add this line here. Some people do that. I think they mainly do it for males, but since we're doing round, I don't do that, but when I do almond eyes, sometimes, yeah, I do add that line. Okay, so now, but you're also gonna have to make it shorter, not as long as it.
A few moments later.
Okay, there it is. Those are the eyes. Now, we're going.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we are going to. Inner part of the eye. Okay, so it depends on you how you want to make it. If you want to make it, let's say, like this, it's up to you. But for me, I want to make it like a circle too, slightly round. I don't let it touch the bottom of the eye. And don't worry if it looks weird since first we haven't finished this drawing. Oh my god. And there we go. So, have there our eyes, I think. Okay, now we're going to go add our pupils. Going to now add the pupils. But I think this is already perfect for being average for mine. Okay, so next, we're going to be adding the extra lashes. There we go. Now you can see we have officially finished the eyes, the main eyes. Now we're going to be drawing the eyebrows. Don't forget the eyelids actually. Let me fix this right there. Because eyelids makes it have more depth like that. Now the eyelid is just basically simple. Just add a line above the eyeliner. Also make sure it goes along. But not fully along the eyes. Just maybe around here. When it starts to go down. There we go, now we have our eyelids. Now, we're going to draw the eyebrows. The eyebrow around has to be this long. This long, according to the guidelines. And then, now, don't make that too high. Maybe around here is fine. Up, and then down. You can see there. Up, down. So now that we have that, we're going to do the other eyebrow. This is how you do an arched eyebrow, because that's kind of the only eyebrow I know. Plus it looks very nice. So up, then down. Up, and then down. There we go. Now we're going to add the details of the eyebrows. You add these lines outside of the eyebrow right here. Just for some effects, and then just add the hair details. Okay. And also remember to stay loose, actually, and also to stay loose when doing sketching and everything, because if you do it then it's gonna look terrible. I am telling you. And always keep it light, but when you're on the main outlining, you can dim it, press it harder down on the paper so that it looks darker. Well, basically, that's just how we draw eyes. It's very simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notif bell to stay tuned for more videos. Bye!